What's wrong? It's me, Batman.
He froze Marvin. What do we do?
Give me my backup and my Bat One water. Batman to the rescue. First, into the Bat box. Okay. Wow, that's so cool. Let's turn around. Wow. We need more hot water. Then I can fix that more background. Wow, that's even awesomer. Look, I moved it to there. Sounds like we need more bat water. I know, I need my bat stick. I need more bat water for this Batman experiment. Oh, almost free. One more cup of bat water. Huh? It's free. I freed you, Marvin. I freed Marvin from you. Thank you for helping me, Batman. You're welcome. Batman saved the day again.
Thank you for saving me, Batman.
You're welcome, Andy. Batman, thanks again. Thank you. Bye, Marvin. Bye, Froggy.
Bye, Ptolemy. Bye, Ptolemy.
I'll miss you